Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful slide zoom animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Now let's begin the topic. This is my first slide and here I have more 4 slides. Now let me go to insert, go to zoom, click on slide zoom. Then select the slide number 2, the 3, the 4 and the 5. Then click on insert. As soon as I click on insert, the 4th slide will be inserted. Now let me select and place it here like this. I have to resize the slide. Let me select all of this slide, press Ctrl G to group them together, and now let me resize this. Now let me click on it, go to group, click on ungroup. Now place it like this. Now select all of the slides, click on right button, go to format object, go to effect, go to glow, click on this preset and change the color to white color and change the size and change the transparency like this. Now let me watch the slideshow. Let me click on slideshow, let me click on it. This is perfect. Click on here, let me click on this. This is also perfect. Click on this, perfect, and click on this. This is also perfect. And if you want to make this kind of beautiful slide, you can check out my channel. You will find the detailed tutorial in my channel. Here in my channel you will find this video. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.